Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the MHYALUDO cleaning kit protective case for the AirPods Pro 3. So this is the case for the AirPods Pro 3, and it comes with quite a few accessories. So let's open this up and see what's inside. And the first thing that we get is this little cleaning kit. So it's like a tool that allows you to clean your AirPods, your AirPod case, or even if you need to, this protective case right here. So you have like a few tools, this little thing that allows you to poke out some of the dirt, a brush, and then this brush right here, which you can use for like cleaning this hole right here. Just sticking it like this and just twist it around a little, and that's how you clean that part. So let's close this up and move on to the next thing. And the next thing is this case itself. So let's pull that out. And there we go. Inside of the case we also get this carabiner, which we can attach to our case right here by using the keychain ring. But let's focus on the case for now. So the case comes in one part, so instead of two parts being separate, they are connected with this little piece of silicone. And then we also have a little, it's not really noticeable, but we have just a little notch right here, so it fills in this part. So if we put our case inside the protective case, we can see that there is a little like indent for the case right here, and it kind of fills in the whole thing right here, so it doesn't leave like an air pocket. But let's also look at something else, and here we have a little hole that allows for the pairing light on the AirPods to pass through the case. And for example, if you want to pair your AirPods, the light will pass through right here. And then at the bottom we have a little latch that closes the USB-C port and doesn't let any dirt pass through, and just kind of stays there. And if you want to charge, you just peel it back and connect the charger. So let's put this case in, and it's pretty simple. What you do is just you can push it in like this, and just kind of align it so all of the parts are perfectly aligned like this. This is what it looks like. So the case is pretty, it's holding on pretty nicely, so it won't fall out like of the case. And then as we can see, the light is turning on and we can see it through, and the USB-C cover is also working nicely, so it doesn't really shake off easily. And then we have the Lanyard strip that also comes with the set. So you can use this in this hole right here by just passing it through, and then kind of going through the loop that you've just passed through, and just pushing it all the way like this. And now you have a lanyard strip that is connected with your AirPods, and you can kind of like carry it around easier. You can also attach it to something else, and you can do the same thing with this carabiner right here, so you get pretty much everything that you need with the AirPods case. So you can connect this by either using this keychain ring, or the way I like to do it is to just kind of push the carabiner itself through, and you don't need this loose keychain. You can just kind of take it off, and it looks much more cleaner like that. That is pretty much it. So this is the review of the case, and if you liked it, there's a link in the description for this case. And thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.